In this video, I will tell you why you need to act now and that there is no better time than now. The very step in your transformation is to recognize that you have a problem in your body and that you need to address it immediately. As you know, this biochemical abnormality that you have remains silent for a long time, deteriorating your systems, worsening your body without causing symptoms. Your body deteriorates so slowly that you do not even recognize it. Modern medicines actually make you stay in this la la land. If your BMI is above 26, A1C above 6, and you have high blood pressure, before going on medications, you might have looked for the solution or a way to cure it without medications. As you know that medications are not the cure, and all medications have a wide variety of side effects. Many of those side effects could be quite serious, and many of those you may not even be aware of. Obviously, you did not find a solution that you could use instead of medications. In addition to recognizing that you have a problem in the body, you have got to recognize that there is a problem that originates in your mind. That is because you know that behind every habit, there is this mind. Maybe you have recognized that and tried to fix it with meditations, etc., and it did not work. Naturally, you will be feeling skeptical about trying anything that promises to make any changes to your mind or bodily habits, and you ended up swallowing medications or supplements or doing nothing, as you are ignoring the problem while it has not yet advanced to the level where you need to take medications. I was in this phase for 20 years. In fact, I was not ignoring the problem, but I was not finding a proper solution or a minimum viable solution that will create results. Now I have found a genuine, definitive solution. I have experimented on it for 2 years and it works. And that is the reason why I am so eager to show you how it works. The only way you can find out whether what I'm saying is true or not is to give it a chance and subscribe. I realized that you did not get a user manual of your body and mind when you were born. What you have learned from others or inferred yourself so far has not worked and in fact proved wrong. Please wake up. The investment for you will do is not too much for you if you get even the fraction of the amazing benefits that I'm telling you that you will get by following this system. It is absolutely nothing, the investment wise. It will save you hundreds of thousands of dollars in healthcare costs. Just think, what price will you put on reducing the chances of getting pain, suffering, limitation of activities, and deterioration of the quality of your life? Remember, looking good, feeling less lethargic, feeling fresh all day, having more work output, creating more time for enjoyment for yourself are just the bonus points. I know that it will work for you, and that is the reason why I have created this 100% money back guarantee. Please click the subscribe button and let's go. You will find the guarantee in the information on that page. Even then, if you have any questions, you can book a one-on-one call or one-on-one meeting with me. Thank you for listening.